Welcome back to Ram's tutorial. If you are new here to our channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to Ram's tutorial educational channel. So our discussion today is how to find an area of a parallelogram. So to find the area of a parallelogram, ang gagawin lang po natin, we need to follow the formula po. Ang formula po natin, we have here A is equal to area. Area is equal to base times height. Ito lang po yung susundin natin na formula po. Para mas easy lang po or hindi ka mahihirapan pag mag-solve tayo dito. Ganun lang po siya kabilis. So, meron tayo ditong parallelogram po. Drawing. So, nagdo-draw ako ng parallelogram. So, we're going to identify where is the base and where is the height. So, we have first, ang height natin is 27 feet. Yung base natin, this one, our base is what we call 36 feet. So, to solve this, we're going to find the formula which is base times height. So, we're going to solve her. The height and base, 27 times 36. Let's multiply po. Okay. Start first, 7 times 6, we have, what is the answer, Tyron, for 7 times 6? 42. So, bring down 2, regroup, 4. 2 times 6, 12, plus 4, 16. Next, 3 times 7, 21. Bring down 1, regroup 2, above 2, which is the next number to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Now, we're going to add. Bring down 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 1 plus 8, 9. The answer is 972, our area of the first parallelogram. So, we have here 972 feet. These are our answer po. Ito yung sagot natin to find the parallelogram. Again, pag solve natin ng parallelogram, susundin lang natin ang formula po, which is area is equal to base times height, or A is equal to B times H po. So, multiplication lang po yun ang kailangan natin. Thank you again for watching to Ram's tutorial. Huwag niyong kalimutan po mag-subscribe sa ating channel kapag bago pa po kayo. Hit the notification bell, like, and share. Thank you. Bye!